Meaning of hallucinogen.
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 Hallucinogen. A hallucinogen is a substance that alters perceptions, emotions, and consciousness. When consumed, it can cause sensory experiences that are not based on reality, including visual and auditory hallucinations, altered thinking, and intense emotions. These substances can be found in many natural and synthetic forms, and they affect the brain by mimicking or enhancing the effects of neurotransmitters. The effects of hallucinogens can vary widely depending on the substance used, dosage, and individual chemistry, but they generally induce an altered state of consciousness that can be both profound and potentially dangerous if not used responsibly.